Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be doing Christmas makeup tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. First I will prime my face. For that I will be using Inside Face Primer. I'm going to take a little bit of that primer and apply that on my face. For the foundation I will be using Color Bar Full Cover Makeup Stick. This has concealer in it, so I'm not going to apply any other concealer today. Blending it really well with my damp beauty blender. Next I will set everything well and keep it in place by using Maybelline Compact Powder. Next I am filling my eyebrows by using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Following natural shape of my eyebrows and giving them a nice shape. I already primed and setted my eyelid. Now I will pick up this brown shade from the Wet n Wild palette and apply this into my crease as a transition shade. Blending the edges really well to remove any harsh lines. For my lid I will be applying this shade. Then with the small brush, I will apply this shade to my inner corners. Tightlining my waterline by using Nika Kohl pencil. Now I am curling my lashes and applying generous coats of mascara to my both upper and lower lashes by using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Now by using Makeup Revolution highlighter, I am going to highlight my face. Lastly, I will apply NYX Soft Lip Cream to my lips. And this is how my makeup turned out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.